Starting from simple pest control treatments for small households just to earn some money, the dashing man Rajendra Shankar Gaikwad today has a success story to tell. The name of the story is GT Pest Control Private Limited, the leading name in all types of pest controls in India and abroad as well. GT Pest Control was established in 1986 as a proprietary firm. While climbing the ladders of success one step after another, the firm was converted into a private limited company in the year 2009. Today, the company has 5 directors, including the managing director, Mr. Rajendra Shankar Gaikwad. The board is well supported by a team of technical experts and field officers. While branding itself, the company has achieved many national and international accreditations like International Standards for Phytosanitary Measures ISPM 15, ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, Plant Protection Quarantine and Storage PPQS, and Australian Quarantine and Inspection Service AQIS. The company is also a member of Indian Pest Control Association IPCA and Maratha Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Agriculture MCCIA. The company is a proud member of Dalit Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries DICCI. The company holds the premier position as a registered company with the state government of Maharashtra and central government of India. The company provides end-to-end solution and preventive measures in the area of pest control for various industries, including agriculture, food industries, hotel, hospitals, construction, cinema houses, industries and sports clubs. For more than 2 decades, the company has been serving the industries by undergoing pre- and post-construction anti-termite treatments for industrial as well as residential buildings, malaria control contracts and annual pest control jobs in order to keep the environment clean and free from pests and insects. In this way, the company has kept its promise towards the clean and green environment. The company specializes in the fogging technique, which is implemented in order to protect goods, buildings, greenhouses, etc. from quarantine pests and to eliminate the transfer of pests from one place to another. The company has recently set up heat treatment plant at Ranjangaon MIDC. The industries have shown growing interest in the heat treatment of wooden packings and boxes. Besides the above services, it also provides industrial hygiene and sanitation services. As a part of its specialized services, the company provides many other services such as mosquito anti-larval control, fly control, termite control, wood preservation treatment, honeybee control, domestic pest control, rodent control, weed control, birds control, snake control, conservancy works and outsourcing manpower. These services are also provided to Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad corporations and Pune cantonment. The company operates through various branches spread across India, with the corporate office at Pune and a branch in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, and several other branches in Gujarat, New Delhi and Goa. While crossing the Indian borders, the company has established a branch at Singapore and is getting overwhelming response over there. With more than 50,000 satisfied customer base, and the companies like Venkateshwara Hatcheries, Alpha Level and Tetra Pak as some of the esteemed clients, the response to the company is ever growing. GT Pest Control is equipped with all the modern equipment and techniques, and the staff is well trained. Starting his career as a simple machine repairer with a salary of just 120 rupees a month, Mr. Rajendra Shankar Gaikwad has taken a giant leap towards a turnover of multiple crores. With his vision to become the world's best pest control and housekeeping company and to provide valuable services to customers with safety and a smile, and a mission to deliver the best quality services possible through quick response time and customized services with individual focus and constant research and development, GT Pest Control Private Limited is all set to conquer newer heights.